You don't need to get into lakhs of loss to understand and realize what I'm telling you. It's much better to realize the risk before you assess the profits. Gonna learn something really powerful. How do we really hedge it, and the mistakes which I see almost everybody doing in the market, which is stopping from today. If you watch this video carefully and note down all the points, how option buying works in real life. Let's talk about the practicality of things, and then we're gonna level up. What you see on your screen is a Infosys daily chart. It can be any stock, obviously just an example, not a recommendation. Now, what do maximum people see is that the market is bullish, but Infosys stock is hovering around its support level. What do they do? Because the margin and lot size have increased significantly. So what do majority people do is that they buy a call option, thinking that when market reverses and market reverses fast, then the position immediately gonna be in profit. Big mistake. Reason is because as soon as you buy option, theta starts to decay from very second. The same is applicable for a put option as well. So is there an alternative way? The answer is yes. After that, people resort to future buying, right? They look forward to buy future because, like I said, buying a call option has its big drawback. Let me show you how it happens, and then we're gonna improve it. And towards the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how to improve it massively. So the other alternative which a lot of traders resort to is buying in cash. Now, when you buy in cash any stock, it's gonna take you 10, 12, 15 lakhs. Margin has really gone up. So if you wanna match your equity with the future, you got to really shell out a lot of money, which is not advisable, obviously. So future can be a good alternate solution, but future has some advantage and some disadvantages. Like here, what you see is Infosys right now. And suppose if stock starts to go up, and suppose if stock go up by 3%, for example, if stock go up by 3%, we're gonna make somewhere around 17, 18,000. Now the problem starts if the stock starts to go down. If it go down by suppose 3%, then you're gonna lose the same amount, 17, 18,000. So there is not much of an advantage, trading the future. And also if the stock, like IndusInd Bank, what happened, everybody know, overnight back-to-back circuit. What if the stock really go down 10, 20% and then go down by 10% more? You don't need to get into lakhs of loss to understand and realize what I'm telling you. It's much better to realize the risk before you assess the profits. Now here what you see is the margin estimated is obviously more than a lakh. So it does not make much of a sense. So is there a better way when you can take advantage when the stock starts to go up, you get more ROI, but when stock starts to go down, you do not lose unlimited? I'm really serious about this because this can be a really concerning factor. So now what's the alternative way? The alternative way is that you can open option chain, okay, very simple. And then you can look forward to buy at the money put. Now, when you buy at the money put, some things drastic is going to happen. Now, let me show you here. This is how it's gonna look. Now here, remember what I told you, that if the stock go up by 3%, we were making around 17, 18,000 profit, right? Now here, when we do something like this, the stock go up. Now, instead of around 18,000, we are making 14,000. So 4,000 rupees less. So that means it's not really good, right? Completely wrong. Remember, you were making 18,000 of an ROI on the capital deploy of 1,20,000. When you do something like this, and if market go up, we are making around 14,000 ROI on a blocked capital of 37,000. Are you with me here, right? Point number two, if suddenly the stock starts to go down and give you back-to-back circuit. Now stocks, the volatility is so high, stocks are moving, 2-3% तो easily एक दिन में ही हो जाता है, काफी easily. Stock move करते हैं बहुत तेज in any direction. Getting a volatility, a move is very easy, as you can see it over here. But is this the end of story? Is this how we supposed to do? Is there no alternative way? There is an alternative way. We can make it even better. And by the way, even if stock go down, This 9,800, we can reduce it, we can cut it in half. Is it even possible? Definitely there is. I'm going to give you more insights on this. Now let's talk about how to even improve this even more, and then we're going to improve it one more time. How to make it even better. Now you are longing future and you are longing put. We understand that it's much better than just plain blind long future, right? To make it better, a lot of people consider buying 2 at the money call, because 2 at the money call is equal to future. Everybody know this. But the problem in buying 2 at the money call is again the theta decay alternative number 2. Instead of longing future, you can always long in the money call. In the money call of blue chip stocks always have liquidity, especially when you are longing Nifty. I don't think it's really advisable to just long future just like that. You can always long in the money call. Now the advantage which you're gonna get when you buy in the money call is, in the money call have a very less theta decay. It works as same as the future. Your margin is going to be even lesser comparable to when you buy future. So this is one step better than just buying simply future, right? You see, this is the knowledge which helps you. Now you want to improve even more. Now gear up. Now you understand this. Now tell me one thing. Isn't every month future trades at a premium comparable to spot? 90% of the times, right? I mean, what you see is, suppose the spot is trading at 1300, example. Future will trade at 1350, 1400. Same, even if you trade US market, it's the same thing. Option is same all across the globe. It doesn't matter. Just a difference of margin and very little difference. Now here, what we talk about here is that there's a difference between spot and the future. You understand this? Instead of longing future and buying put, do you think it's beneficial to short future and then buy call? Think about it for a second. Why? Because future trades at a premium of the spot. Towards the end of expiry, what happens is that the future price becomes equal to the spot as per the rule, provided that there are no dividends, etc. But in usual situation, this is what happens. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a part 2 on this, because this is little advanced. Not everybody gonna get it. But if you are somebody who's been trading in the market from past 1 year, you're gonna get exactly what I'm telling you. Even if you trade US markets or you trade commodities, this trick can come really handy. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video and must have learned a lot. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.